It seems like every day, design and engineering challenges are getting bigger. Timelines are getting shorter. Innovation is getting harder. Competition is getting fiercer. And every day, designers and engineers like you are faced with choices. Will you react to your competitors, or will you innovate past them? Will you succumb to supply chain disruption, or will you adapt? Will you work in a silo, or will you collaborate seamlessly? The fact is, making the right choice is simple, but achieving the best outcomes quickly, easily, now that can be hard. And that's where we can help. With Autodesk, you can explore collaborative workflows that drive more agility to help reduce risk while accelerating prototypes into products. Powerful data models and management tools that unlock insights to increase product desirability. Integrated simulation and tolerance analysis to reduce the risk of non-conformance and improve product performance in the field. And agile product development cycles to open more room for innovation and expanded product offerings. All of which can help you bring more products to market more quickly than ever before. Every day you're faced with extraordinary problems, but you know that good design and good engineering can help you solve them. At Autodesk, so do we.